looking at a Toyota Tacoma, and one thing to look for when you're purchasing a used car, let's see, this one's a 2005. I always try to make sure there's not a lot of paint work on it. The chances are, if there is, it's either been an accident or there's been a lot of paint peeling on it. But if you go up to the edge, and you can see along here where they taped it, there's a paint edge there. So the whole left pillar here outside has been painted. A lot of buffing's been going on, a lot of waxing stuff in here. Look at the condition of the car, you know, because that's going to really depreciate the value of it. This one's got a lot of dings and dents, paint work in spots and areas. And if you climb up here and look, always stand up and try and get a look at the roof. That's atrocious. So basically, you know, a truck in this condition body-wise, you know, depending on where you live, you're going to spend anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 painting it and getting it at least looking halfway decent. So make sure you take that into consideration when you're purchasing a used car.